This is my satsuma awori, and it is blooming right on schedule, mid-March. It is absolutely covered in flowers. The bees, they're all about it. They're everywhere. Every branch, every nook and cranny is just covered in blooms. Bees are working it hard. One thing this video is not going to give you is the smell. My entire yard smells of orange blossoms. Now, when I was a kid, you drove around in Florida during the spring. It was a very common, very strong smell. Used to drive down Orange Blossom Trail in Orlando, and that's all you could smell this time of year. Well, there are no oranges there anymore, and it's a smell that I've missed. This guy is just going off. He's got a couple spots I need to trim. Like I got a little dead branch here I need to trim off. Right on the end. But in general, it is just covered in new growth. Absolutely covered in flowers. There are thousands upon thousands of flowers. And this isn't a very large tree. This is the biggest bloom this tree has given me so far to date. Bees don't seem to like me filming them. Nature's little helper right there. Just fantastic. It bloomed pretty decent last year, but this year there are certain branches that are just absolutely loaded. There's flowers everywhere. The most impressive spot is right through here, although most of them haven't quite opened yet. Bees are definitely happy with it though. And there are ladybugs all over the place. I just showed you one. There's two more right there mating. So that means more ladybugs for the garden. There's another one underneath a leaf. Ladybugs everywhere. And there's ants. Right there we got a little spider web. So there's definitely a nice natural biome going here. The longer you stand and you look at it, the more things you see interacting with the tree. I've seen birds in it today, butterflies, of course the bees. Just fantastic.